please subscribe and click the bell icon because I need one subscriber, and like the video and comment if you have any question, and download Telegram app and search Mr. MrWip, search MrWip and click here on the picture, and you have every question your problem will solve here. Okay, thanks. Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to send friend request. If your friend request are not shown, how can you do that? Okay, so in this I will show you why the friends request are not showing and what's the main reason behind this. Okay, so first of all you have to click on the three dot button. When you click on the three dot button, just scroll down and go to setting and privacy. Okay, you have now select the setting button. After you have selecting the setting button, but before this you have, okay, now so this is come, but I have suggestion for you. Go to the Telegram, and search here MrWip and join, and click here to join this. Okay, when you join this welcome to you, and you have any question you can ask here and your problem will solve. Now come back to our video. When you go to the setting and privacy now, so in these things you have to this option blocking. Okay, if you have sent friend request to your friend or anyone or your girlfriend or your boyfriend and they reject your friend request and block you, after that you cannot send the friend request. For this purpose you have to to need to make another account, to sign in another account and send their friend request. Okay, the second thing is when you go to the privacy option. Okay, when you go to profile information, active status, profile and tagging. Okay, you will see there, but when you, where is this, there is an option. I will show to you how people can find you. Just click on this. When you click on this you can change your follow your friend to follow button. Okay, thanks for watching. If this video helped, please leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. So don't waste your time on watching any videos. This is not happening because a person blocked you. Okay, thanks for watching.